everything that it's supposed to.
Yeah. Hey guys, here we are at our friend's garden. Today, we're gonna try the top 5 herbal teas that you can find in any cafe in Iran.
First one on the list is the calming tea. It's a mixture of 4 different herbs. They all have really, really cool names, so it sounds like a magic potion.
Oh,
Right?
magic
So
potion.
this is the calming tea. It's a mixture of orange blossoms, lemon bee brush, viper's bug glosses, and damask rose. And it smells heavenly. It just,
Yeah.
oh man, this is good for us. So why don't we take a sip and see how it is? It doesn't taste like anything. It doesn't have like a tea taste.
I think we have to dip the candy to it to add some sweetness to it.
Why don't you try it with
Otherwise-
candy? I'll try this.
Ooh,
So this is
the saffron rock candy.
saffron rock candy. It's very famous in Iran. You can only find it here. And a lot of the stuff that's in these drinks are specific to only Iran. This is one of the only few places that you can find these very strange and unique herbs. And they're actually consumed regularly. So if you do come here and you come to a cafe, you gotta try some of these herbal drinks and herbal teas.
Yep. Better.
It's better with sugar,
With
right?
sugar is better.
So a lot of times, guys, I know a lot of people are more health conscious, but it's better to have a little bit of rock candy in the drink to bring out its real flavor. And you'll realize the true benefits of it, later on once it's absorbed within your body.
Definitely. The second one is the health tea. It's the combination of lemon bee brush or behlimu and mountain tea or shepherd tea called chai kuhi.
Look at how healthy it looks.
It is.
Anything with this color going into or out of your body is healthy.
So it's healthy, right?
It's very healthy.
Let's dip some candy on it.
Oh, this one's very, very soft. It has a very soft palate.
Ooh, let me try. Oh yeah. Despite the last one, this one has. It's like after this is the tea that you can drink after a day of workout or to chill and relax. Also, it gives you power.
Lots of powers. Superpowers, actually. Okay, so this is
Iron tea.
iron tea.
The color is just like the Persian tea, but
It's redder.
it's much more redder. And the smell
very
is
sour.
sour.
Apparently, we're supposed to drink this one with lots of sugar because it's very potent and it's extremely sour. So you definitely need some sugar to balance out the sourness. So we're gonna put a little bit of sour in it. It's got hibiscus tea. And what else?
Red beets, quince tea, and lemon bee brush. Let's do it.
Ooh,
Ooh.
this is good. It's almost like the sour cherry tea, but it's got more flavor. It's got a wider
Definitely.
flavor palette.
I think it's more refreshing than the others.
By the way, do not drink these in like the hot season. We're just showing you what we're drinking, but these are better
Yeah.
for the cold season.
Definitely.
But actually, I think they're good for all seasons.
Yeah, but it's better for fall and winter.
Yeah.
It suits the mood,
Exactly. Yeah, exactly. So, iron tea, very delicious. So this is the Metabolism Tea. What is it good for?
For blood flow. Increases blood flow in your body.
So this has ginger, cinnamon, cloves, and quince leaves. It's great for getting a lot of vitamin C to your body and great for strengthening your immune system. So
God.
great COVID solution right here.
Oh, I love the cloves. Oh my god, smell.
It's very, because it's got ginger and cinnamon.
Yeah.
It's really, really good for your metabolism and increasing your
Immune
energy
system.
and bettering your immune system and all that good stuff. But you can see that it's a little bit less clear than the other ones. That's because of the ginger.
I love it. This is my favorite. I'm gonna take it home.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Jesus, it has such a potent smell because it has peppermint. I can feel the smell from here. When it's all the way over here, I can feel the smell from this distance. And then one thing that this is, what was this called?
Appetite tea. You just take a deep breath. Oh.
So good.
So good.
It opens up because of that peppermint. It opens up like all of your sinuses and your chakras, and it opens everything that it's supposed to.
Yeah. It has peppermint and then cardamom and shepherd's tea, I guess. Okay.
So, let's try it out.
Let's smell it first. Oh God, that's the stuff. It's more sand. Oh, and the cooling. Can you feel the cooling?
It does. It's warm, but it cools you.
Yeah.
You know, because of the properties it has. Like the second the heat is gone, then the cooling properties start to cool your entire mouth, and you know that like that feeling that you have after you brush your teeth.
Oh yeah, that's the exact one.
Yeah.
Oh, it's good for your skin, for your stomach. It helps you to increase your appetite. What else?
Helps with your breathing.
Definitely. Anything that you have any problem with it, it helps.
So guys, these were the 5 most popular herbal tea mixes that you could drink. Each one had their own properties, which were very unique. And they had unique flavors and unique aromas. They're all very, very good for different parts of your body and your immune system in general.
Which one was your favorite?
My favorite, I think I like this one too, the mint.
Oh,
Yeah.
yes.
This was Paranion's favorite too, right?
Yeah, definitely.
And don't forget to write which one you guys tried at home. If you try them, be sure to comment right on the video below. It's very, very important because we need your feedback. And of course, don't forget to
Subscribe and then like our video, write us comments. We're gonna check it immediately.
hope to see you in Iran soon, and hope you guys get to try one of these fantastic drinks.